Welcome to Unity Packages Need to Know Part 1. First thing, a package is a container that can hold assets like shaders, textures, plugins, icons, extensions, or even scripts. Second is there are two types of packages. A custom package that anyone can make, which I'll be showing you here, and also registered packages, which we'll talk about later. The first thing you want to do is get a Unity package to practice with, like this sort of situation, and you'll download that. Depending on where you download, sometimes the previews will look weird because, again, it's a package. It's kind of like a zipped file in a way, except for you can't really see everything organized because it's specifically prioritized for Unity. But this Unity package is going to have all the files in it. For my example here, we've got props1. So I've already downloaded the package. So you would need to download the package. And then you just need to drag it into Unity. Now there's more than one way to open this up. You can also go through the menu and open the package and find it locally. But you could also just simply drag it in. Right, then now I can simply import. But I have some options here. What's really cool about this window is it lets me know there is a sprites folder. It's not in our project because it has the green new icon here. And if I, for some reason, didn't want to put one of these in my project, I could uncheck the box. In this case, I want all of them though. But those are just things that are helpful and useful later on as you're exploring packages. So being that I know I want all of them, I'm going to click import, and you'll see this sprites folder here is going to be created in our project, and these files will get imported in. So if I go into my sprites folder, here are the 3 sprites that came with that and the folder as well. And that is the first part of a custom Unity package.